What's up, guys? I'm here at Menards and they got this new box here. There's the price, $73. Let's see if I can get all of it in the frame because it's hard to see. Yeah, I tell you what, guys, this is 100 pounds. It's got dual slides on it. Let me see. Put my body weight on there. It's taking it pretty good. It's got a cabinet in the middle of it. That's different. That's different. And then you got drawers on this side. Let's see if it's got a power drawer. Nope, there ain't one on there. Let's see over here. Nope, there ain't one there. And it's a nice little toolbox, guys. It's basically like two toolboxes in one. Well, it's like toolbox, cabinet, toolbox, and then a big drawer. And it's pretty deep too. Let's see. It don't really say how deep. Let's see. The power strip's on the side. Yeah, it's back there on the side. It really don't say. It don't really say. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say just looking at it, it might be 20, 24, somewhere in there. But I mean, it's a pretty nice toolbox, guys. It's got that rollback stuff. I don't like that, but man, that's nice. I like it. I like it, man, because you're getting a bunch of toolboxes in one there. I like to have about 3 of them. So, all right, guys, there's the name of it. So, yeah, it's a nice box. Got locking casters. Got locking casters down there. So, all right, guys. Well, this is another toolbox. Performance Max. Like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, make sure you share the video. I mean, that's a nice box. I like it. Till the next time, guys. Bye bye.